Math Magic appropriate for all government job exams like PSC, SSC, Bank, Rail, TET, Police and other exams. Bengali and English dual version, one book. It is a leading selling book. If 11 root over n equal to root over 112 plus root over 343, then the value of n will be. This math came in SSC HS level 2015. Root over 112 equal to root over 16 into 7. Root over 343 equal to root over 49 into 7. So 11 root over n equal to 4 root over 7 plus 7 root over 7, or 11 root over n equal to 7 4 11 root over 7, or n equal to 7. The option B will be the answer. If you like the math, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Welcome to my channel. A garrison of 900 men is provisions for 60 days. After 12 days, 300 men leave the garrison. The remaining provisions will last for. This math came in West Bengal Audit and Account Survey 2013. After 12 days, the remaining days will be 48 and the remaining men will be 900. Now the 300 men leave the garrison after 12 days. So men will be 900 minus 300 equal to 600. In this math, if men increase, the days will decrease. So question mark will be 48 into 900 by 600. If men increase, days increase, the it will be 600 by 900, but in this case men increase, days decrease, so 900 by 600. So the 72 will be the answer. Option C will be the answer. If you like the math, please like, share and subscribe our channel.